Hello guys, today we'll deal with this water damaged Huawei Mate 20 Lite. I'm Adriana and in today's video Leonardo is going to diagnose and try to solve this water damaged Huawei. So let's disassemble the device. After applying heat with a hot air gun at 19 Celsius degrees, we use a plastic card to remove the back cover. When we get to the motherboard, in the first step, we must disconnect the battery connector.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free.
This is the top antenna of this device. We'll retire the cameras and the SIM tray.
Think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering.
Also is very important the first visual inspection of the motherboard and sub-motherboard in searching for humidity.
With this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic.
Now it's time to retire the charging port module. Here we can observe that the device has come into contact with liquids.
I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight.
Now we go to the microscope to inspect it well.
Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
For the moment, there are no signs of humidity. On the other hand, on the charging connector, we've got corrosion and sulfate. To clean this connector, we use contact cleaner and a piece of cotton. Using a tweezers, we remove all the oxide.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these
This is the final result. Let's assemble the device and do some checks.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.
To find the consumption, we can use a USB tester, or in our case, we'll check it with the help of power set.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing.
The device is charging but doesn't turn on, so let's do some measurements. In the first step, we measure the voltage of the battery. The battery has 3.8 volts, so it means it's okay. Let's see it here on the screen. Everything is about 3.5 volts, means that the device has to turn on. With the battery connected, we go to search voltages on the motherboard. Here we've got the battery voltage. Another important voltage is the one from the power button, 1.8 volts. When we press the power button, the voltage, in our case, has to drop to 0, which means the power button works fine. So let's continue. We connect the device to a power laboratory suppliers, and in this way we'll check if the device turns on. Our device turns on perfectly. Now I'll give you my conclusion. Because of the humidity, the screen has been damaged. So we have to purchase a new spare part, replace it, and continue with the process. To insert voltage to the motherboard, we have to use this test point and a metal sheet. That's the ground of the device. For the one of you that are just starting out, you just have to respect the positive and the negative of the power suppliers and enter the same voltage and the same amperage as the battery has. If you want to buy a good power laboratory suppliers, on our website you have the purchase link. It's available in 110 and 220 volts. Most of the tools that we are using in our laboratory are available on MovilOne.eu, so check it. If you have any doubt about it, please leave your comment above. Thank you. Here we have the new screen, so let's check it. After all the measurement that we've done, the failure is of the screen by 99%. Here we have the device turned on. Let's check the screen well before glue it. Everything seems fine, but now we have to notify the client and facilitate the budget. In this case, we are going to invoice it only the cost of the new screen. Guys, he is Leonardo. Thanks for watching and see you soon. All the best.